My dear farmers, Namaskar. I am Dr. Kitchen Chandra. Today, again, I want to discuss about waste decomposer. It's some finest results in the field, noted by my farmers. And some farmers actually, they got extraordinary results. That is earthworm. We all know this waste decomposer, which is in liquid form. It generates the waste, your earthworms. As we all know, this waste decomposer is developed from the desi cow dung. And desi cow dung, we all know, has a specialty. It is slim and some mucus is already on its waste dung. So that mucus is nothing but produced by the one of the bacteria. It is the enzymes and proteins. Same bacteria has been taken it in this waste decomposer, and that's why we are getting the miracle results when we are using the waste decomposer continuously 1000 liter per acre. After we have seen use of 5 times as irrigation, we are getting more than 5 lakh bacteria, 5 lakh your earthworms, different type of earthworms in the soil. Recently it has been come in light, one of my farmers in the Mainpuri in Uttar Pradesh, he got bluish type of earthworms, and that is also from 1.5 feet to 2 feet. So it looks like a snake. So he afraid, but not aware it is our earthworms. So he just discussed to me, and I have asked him one video. He has shared the video. So this blue type, dark blue type of our earthworms, we called in a Vedic system, in a Veds, if you read, it's some references given, it is a Nilkant, our Lord Shiva's name, what we call Nilkant. Some bird name is also Nilkant. So this is same is Nilkant earthworms. It is very useful. It found in India 100 and 200 years back. Now it has vanished. So what is the indication of this earthworms? This earthworm is very special and very benefit to the soil. How it became blue color? That is a small story I tell you. When they eat this, this particularly earthworm has a specialty, they eat soil as well as waste. So when they eat the soil, and whatever the toxicity is in the soil, they also consume and convert it. They release lot of enzymes from their bodies. So that changes your toxicity of the soil. But when they consume the toxic material, or we can say wish, it became your blue color, just like our Lord Shiva. So this is the story, and it is related with the toxicity. That's why its color became blue. So when you are getting the blue color, dark blue color of our earthworms, so never afraid, that indicates your soil has been neutralized. If you test your soil, you will not find the toxicity, any residual effect in the soil. Even heavy metals will be also very 0 to very minimum, permissible little bit. So that is the indication. When you are getting this blue color, it means it is your soil became very good. And other farmers has also reported to me, lot of farmers, some farmers have a video, okay, they are able to handle the video, they are sharing it. Otherwise, lot of farmers are getting the same results, but they are not able to inform me. But this is the indication, and it happens with your waste decomposer. When you are using continuously liquid waste decomposer, you will get the same results. So this is one type of our results. Another type of our earthworms that is white color earthworms, it totally white, we called it Brahm earthworms. Why it is Brahm? Because it is white. And this white color is also indication of the good soil. It happens with that is also, other name is also is there, it is a surface earthworms. So when your soil became totally neutral, it is no toxicity, nothing is there, they appears. And that is also due to this waste decomposer, length will be more. It is 1.5 feet or sometimes 1 feet, minimum 1 feet to 2 feet. But its thickness is not so heavy, it is thin. So this white color is, after using of waste decomposer from last 3 years, 4 years, many farmers has reported, more than 1,000 farmers has come across to me. So that is also indication. You don't afraid when you are getting this type of unnatural earthworms. So it is a indication of your good soil. What you have to do, only all the waste, plant waste, residue, all the, your crop waste, you have to put in the field itself and use the waste decomposer. When it waste decomposer, you are using 1,000 liter per acre. So whatever waste is, it also start decomposition. So after 15 days, it is half mature, and that is food for the earthworms. So do the practice, and when you are getting this type of results, it is an indication your soil is good, and that is also part of this bacterial of this our liquid waste decomposer. So if you come across these types of unnatural earthworms, so you can also report to me, sharing your videos, so that it can be shared to the other farmers, and they also get the correct information and encouragement. So do the use of waste decomposer in their field. Thank you very much.
आज हमने अपने खेतों में जैसे ही पानी लगाया, वैसे ही देखिए आप, इतने इतने बड़े बड़े केंचुए, इतने मोटे मोटे केंचुए निकल रहे हैं। ये देखिए, बहुत ही ज़्यादा संख्या में। आज 16 अक्टूबर है और बहुत ही लंबे लंबे केंचुए जो है, जैसे ही पानी हमने अपनी खेतों में दिया, तो जो नालियां हैं उसमें कुछ इस प्रकार देखिए आप, इतने बड़े केंचुए निकल रहे हैं, जो कि सामान्य से ज़्यादा लंबाई है इनकी। कलर भी कुछ इन केंचुओं का अलग है। देखिए ये ज़मीन से और भी निकल रहे हैं बहुत सारी जगह। ऐसे ही आगे नाली में देखिए, ये देखिए, ऐसे ही पूरी नाली में जो है अलग अलग तरीके। ये देखिए, पूरी नाली में, खेतों में बहुत ही बड़ी संख्या में केंचुए बाहर आ रहे हैं आज। ये देखिए, ये अभी निकल रहा है बाहर। ये देखिए, देखिए इतने लंबे लंबे मोटे मोटे केंचुए